Yo guys, ividiyo yokugqibela lena endiyenzayo ngoNoni since abantu abaninzi were saying they don't believe that, this is something that is real. They believe that it's content. UNoni waphendula ke guys wathi nam I was in disbelief njengani. I think more than anyone la emhlabeni yimi kakhulu ofisa ngathi ngabe yi-content lena. Khululekani. It will sink in nakini. She then went on and released an official statement, guys, saying, "Greetings, everyone. I would like to address my recent social media post from Saturday evening, Sunday morning. Yes, it is true. I have finally gathered the strength to walk away, and the decision has been made for us to part ways as a couple. There are many narratives and opinions currently circulating. I will, however, not be responding to nor entertaining any information that has not been shared directly by me. I kindly ask that only my own statements be regarded as my position. Sharing what I did on social media may actually have been an impulsive decision, but it is one that I do not regret as our relationship has always been public. At this stage, I am still trying to figure out how I will be navigating my new reality going forward. There is much that both of us need to process and figure out. And we respectfully ask for privacy regarding matters that we have not chosen to share publicly. We have a significant amount of unreleased music together, which may or may not be released in the future. Our hope is that we can continue to work together professionally and, most importantly, co parent in a healthy and respectful manner. We trust that with time, we will find a way forward. While there is still so much to navigate, one thing remains certain: our decision to part ways stands. Thank you to everyone who has shown us love, understanding, and support during this time. Your kindness it does not go unnoticed. Okay. And ke ngabona guys, a shame uGayi naye on his Facebook post, guys, I don't think kuyena it has actually sunk in that, they are going through this separation, because on his Facebook page, this is literally the last post he has posted, and uthi khona obaba bezingane abebezothuka namhlanje kodwa kodwa ishwa laphuma nami. Yo guys, so yeah, Nanzo update. Your thoughts must engage on what shortly. Bye guys.